Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope that you have bank amazing profit. Today was amazing volatility and most of my traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how they bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis in the real time. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were short from yesterday. Once I mentioned we have bearish engulfing candle, price nicely broken. We have amazing trade from last night and bank beautiful pips today this morning. Once we bank some profit, you can see here the price was at the support level. Also we had two support levels at this level, so we have taken a counter short and counter long trade here, bank beautiful pips, price nicely hit target. We were expecting at this level, as you can see here, another counter short trade, which we technically came out the break even. So we had, let me share with you how I analyze in intraday entries and exit both short and long. All right, so if you look at the intraday analysis, let me make it slightly bigger. All right, so if you look at from yesterday, okay, so from yesterday, this is the analysis I did last night, explained to my trader. We have this bearish engulfing candle, so look for this breakout. Price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, we have beautiful pullback. This morning price nicely hit to the major support level, and that's what I explained to my trader. Let's bank some profit and let's see the London Open, how the market is going to develop. So at the London morning session, as you can see here, once we bank some profit, and technically we were expecting a pullback, but as you can see here, price develop a false breakout, and that's the good sign. So explain to my trader, look for this break, because previously last night we had this breakout, bank beautiful pips. So expecting either pullback here. If the price gonna break, then possibility and the target would be at this level, and which price nicely broken, as you can see here, nicely hit to the profit target, bank few PPs, and says to my trader, look for another pullback. And once the price reverse, and most of the trader was discussing, or price might gonna shoot down, and that's what I explained to my trader. Okay guys, technically we should be looking a pullback because we have this breakout, and after the breakout pullback, but safest way, if the price gonna break this one, then we're gonna see the continuation of short, because momentum is developed bullish, so more likely is going to long. But safest trade, if you really want a safest trade, would be if the price gonna break this level. As you can see here, once the price develop at this level double top, because we communicate all that price moves through live ID commentary, as soon as the price broken and explain to my trader, just keep taking a breakout and keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. As soon as the price hit to the profit target and at this level in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader, guys, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing long trade. And if you look at here, that's what I explained to my trader, if the price is going to respect this one, so we will have inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's another sign of confirmation. So we had amazing trade, right? So again, once the price hit this target, as expected, we pull back long. But as explained to my trader, price, if the price stay above this level, then we gonna keep taking a long. But as you can see here, price broken, and explain to my, look for this breakout, which price nicely broken, and which technically hit this level, and which we came out at the break even, and afterwards price reverse. And I said to my trader, it's time to, you know, enjoy your profit. And let's move into the pound dollar. Beautiful trade in pound dollar, guys. As you can see in 4 hour, we had a short trade last night, bank few PPs, and afterwards this morning, just before London Open, as you can see here, the price nicely respected the support level, and we had a counter long trade here. And once the price developed this, you know, you can see it, bullish engulfing candle, that give us a strength, and we have taken our all pullback short trade here, long trade here. We were expecting price might going to respect, but if you look at the bigger picture, and that's what we communicate with our trader, if you look at here, and if you look at this, and if you look at this, it's look like inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's the good sign, and price broken, and most of my traders really enjoyed profit, and the target was this level, which price nicely hit. You can see it. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries, both short and long here, and in intraday. because that's what we try to understand the price action in higher time frame, a market sentiment and buys, and then find the entries in our intraday, and that's really helped most of my traders bank amazing profit. Okay, so this is the analysis last night. We have the short trade here in 4 hour. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout we have another pullback. And this morning, as you can see, just before the London morning, we explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the price action in London open, because as soon as the price try to develop a false, develop a double bottom, explain my trader it's about time to bank some profit. So in London morning session, as explained in more detail in live analysis, that more likely we're going to see a pullback, and if not, then we have aggressive breakout, and afterwards safest way look pullback. As you can see here, as mentioned here, and that's what we explained to trader, if the price going to break this level, we have this one, because technically we were expecting a pullback, price refused. So that's what I explained. If the price gonna break this level, then continuation short, otherwise long here. And that's what happened here. You can see here, price nicely respected, did not break, even did not develop any bearish candle in our intraday system. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and we have this one aggressive and then afterwards we announced all these pullbacks through live audio commentary and explain to my trader just keep taking a pullback. And as soon as the price hit this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Let's see another price action. So again, same here, price develop a false breakout, this high, and explain to my trader look for this breakout, which price nicely broken, took on the trade here. As you can see here, price hit this level, and that's what I said, consider tightening your stop loss. So which we came out at the break even, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's done for the day. Let's see tomorrow, because the price is already moved. So I said, guys, we might going to face consolidation, just take a rest, enjoy your profit, let's come tomorrow. Dollar CAD dollar CAD was funny, because it was but we managed few PPs, no doubt. I'll explain to you, but we were expecting, to be honest, the price might going to respect this level, major support in 4 hour. And once this candle developed, we were expecting, guys, we might gonna have nice big rally. But what happened after this candle came back here, did not. So we're still waiting to break this consolidation. Safest way for us, if the price gonna break this consolidation, and after the breakout price retest in our intraday, that's give us the confirmation. But as you can see here, price develop a sideways market. We'll see tomorrow. Let me share with you the today's analysis. And our bias was long, by the way, because we were expecting a long trade here. All right, so you can see here, this is the analysis I did last night. Explained to my trader, just concentrate long, not a short. As long as the price does not break this previous low, we are looking along here. Price develop a false breakout, that's the good sign. This morning I explained to my trader, guys, we have this false breakout, that's the good sign. Again, false breakout is also significant signal, or you can say confirmation for reversal. We said, guys, probably we're gonna have a nice rally, so just taking a breakout. This one, we had this breakout, and after this breakout, you can see a price nicely hit to the target, bank some PPs, but after that price came down. So right now, again, as I said to you, our bias was developed long, so we were expecting a long trade here, and we're trying to find opportunities based on the price action. Then again, I explained to my trader, now we have this level which is previously price developed, so there's another possibility of pullback at this level, or if the price is already respected this level. So safest way, let's say we call it, if the price gonna break, then take a long trade here. If the price gonna break, then the short trade here. So what happened here, after that price broken and hit again that level, as soon as we move our stop loss at the break even, we came out. But no doubt we managed beautiful pips on most of the pairs, especially the yen pair, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, all of them. Let me share with you the all the yen pair we managed. Like for example, if you look at here, we have this breakout and bank beautiful pips. And if I show you the intraday analysis, and if you look at here this morning, you can see here, that was the pretty straightforward breakout, long trade here at this level in 4 hour. in yen, euro yen. Beautiful price hit to the red fib channel at this level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see such a nice, beautiful trade. And afterwards, you can see here price develop another uncertainty. We said let this market settle down. So the New York session, explained to my trader, look for this high if the price gonna break, because the prices keep respecting this level. So look for this breakout. Price as soon as they hit the previous low level around this level, explain to my trader, guys, this is the counter trade, so bank some profit. So we had amazing trade on euro yen, we had a pound yen, dollar yen, kiwi dollar. That was the pretty straightforward. We have this breakout and long here because we have taken this breakout. And let me share with you the intraday analysis. And as you can see here, we have pretty straightforward. This was the bull flag pattern breakout. Beautiful. And as soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank some profit. At the New York session, explained today, look for another pullback, which price nicely developed. So you can see, guys, we managed beautiful pips apart from the dollar CAD, but most of my traders bank 100+ pips. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where we train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. If you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.